house that floats effortlessly on the water, a concrete oasis that blends modern design with the peaceful rhythms of nature. Today, we'll explore an architectural masterpiece that brings minimalism to a stunning waterfront setting. Welcome to Modern Minimalist Floating House, a concrete oasis on the water. In this video, we'll discuss the design elements that make this home a modern marvel. From its sleek exterior to its minimalist interior, every detail has been carefully chosen to create harmony with the surrounding landscape. Let's start with the exterior. The house's floating foundation is an engineering marvel, designed to sit gracefully on the water. Its minimalist concrete facade, with clean lines and natural textures, captures the essence of contemporary architecture. The raw, unpolished concrete creates a seamless connection between modern design and the natural beauty of the water. The expansive windows not only offer breathtaking views but also allow natural light to pour into every room, creating a bright and airy feel. The choice of glass and concrete is deliberate, offering a juxtaposition of solidity and transparency. The house feels both grounded and weightless. The floating dock leading up to the house emphasizes the seamless integration between architecture and the environment. With greenery strategically placed around the property, the home feels like it's part of the landscape rather than just sitting on it. As we approach the front door, the minimalist aesthetic continues. The large concrete slab serves as a bold, modern entrance, while the hidden handles maintain the clean, uninterrupted lines of the design. Simplicity is key in this floating oasis. Upon entering, you're greeted by an open, spacious entryway. The minimalist design here is characterized by simplicity and functionality, with no excess clutter, just a smooth transition from the outdoor serenity to the calm of the interior. The heart of this home is the living room, where the minimalism continues. Low-profile, modern furniture complements the raw concrete walls and floors, while the panoramic windows bring the outside in, offering unobstructed views of the water. Every piece of furniture here is chosen to serve a purpose, maintaining the clean and simple aesthetic. Adjacent to the living room is the kitchen, which blends seamlessly into the open concept space. The minimalist cabinetry, with no visible handles or ornate features, is paired with concrete countertops, continuing the theme of natural, raw materials. Even the appliances are hidden to maintain the sleek look. The kitchen island, with its integrated lighting and minimalist design, serves as both a practical workspace and a stylish centerpiece for entertaining. Every detail, down to the lighting fixtures, is carefully chosen to complement the home's overall aesthetic. The bedroom is a sanctuary of simplicity and tranquility. With concrete walls and a low-profile platform bed, the minimalist aesthetic creates a calm, uncluttered space. The large floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views of the water, inviting natural light to fill the room and enhance its serene ambience. Every element, from the neutral color palette to the absence of excessive decoration, is designed to foster a peaceful, restful environment. Clean, modern lines, such as a low bed and simple decor, create a sense of space, while the use of natural materials such as soft fabrics and wood accents adds warmth to the concrete environment. This minimalist design focuses on the essentials, offering an oasis where simplicity reigns, and nature is always within reach through expansive windows. The bathroom is a perfect reflection of minimalist luxury, with a floating concrete vanity and a freestanding tub as the focal point. Clean lines and an open layout create a peaceful atmosphere in the space. Large windows let in soft natural light, creating a calming environment that feels like a spa retreat. The combination of raw materials like concrete and glass emphasizes the home's modern aesthetic while maintaining a connection to nature. Attention to detail is key in this minimalist design. The floating vanity, with its smooth concrete surface, exudes sophistication, while the elegant curve of the tub provides a soft contrast to the angular geometry of the room. Neutral tones and natural textures create a harmonious balance, making the bathroom not only functional but also a calming space for relaxation and rejuvenation. For those who work from home, this floating oasis offers a minimalist office space. The large windows let in ample natural light, while the simple furniture and integrated shelves keep the space functional without overwhelming it with distractions. Additional spaces, like the guest room and media room, maintain the same design principles: simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection with the natural surroundings through floor-to-ceiling windows. Stepping outside, the courtyard offers a peaceful retreat. The minimalist landscaping, with its concrete paths and natural water features, mirrors the aesthetic of the house. This space is designed for quiet reflection, where you can enjoy the serenity of the water while still feeling connected to the home's modern design. The floating terrace extends the living space outward, providing the perfect place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the waterfront. The minimalist furniture and natural materials ensure that nothing distracts from the stunning views. This modern minimalist floating house is truly a concrete oasis by the water. Its seamless integration of architecture and nature, its commitment to simplicity, and its focus on functionality make it a remarkable example of modern design. Every detail, from the concrete exterior to the minimalist interior, is crafted to create a harmonious, peaceful space. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a home where modern minimalism meets the tranquility of the water. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspirations. See you in the next video, where we continue to explore innovative and breathtaking home designs.